Hi, I'm Abby. I'm so excited you guys are here. Welcome to my channel. This is the Pre-Med Athlete vlog for all you student athletes who are aspiring to be physicians one day, or for people who just want to be collegiate athletes, or people who just want to be doctors. You know, everyone's welcome. But on this channel we're going to be talking a lot about what you need to do to get A's in your classes, because obviously grades are super important when it comes to applying for graduate programs, especially medical school. As well as what else you kind of need to do to prepare to get into medical school. I'm also going to be talking a lot about what you can do athletically to prepare yourself to be able to compete in college and to get money for it, because medical school is really expensive, so it's nice to have a little bit of weight off your shoulders there. I'm going to be talking about what you need to do to network with coaches, as well as just straight up programming for yourself in the off season, and things you can do in season to prepare yourself even more than your other teammates and your other competition. And stuff like nutrition and stuff. But yeah, I am currently a student at Utah State University. I play lacrosse up here, but I ran track in high school and I'm absolutely obsessed with the sport. I've coached both track and lacrosse at the high school level, so that was really cool. But currently I am double majoring in exercise science and community health, so I'm taking 18 credits a semester, which is the most credits you can take a semester up here, so that's good. I'm also currently working in a research lab where I just do tons of dissections like every week, and that has been so cool. I'm also a student athlete tutor, as well as a physiology lab TA. So those are kind of the things I've been doing to prepare myself this semester and next semester to get into medical school. But I'm super excited you guys are here. I hope you stick around. It'll be awesome.